In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix spacing issues in Confluence. If your Confluence page looks cramped in some places and too spread out in others, this quick walkthrough will help you tidy it up so your content is easy to read and looks professional. We'll work entirely within the page editor, using just a couple of simple keystrokes to control how much space appears between lines and paragraphs. Start by opening the Confluence page that has the spacing issues. Once the page is loaded, click Edit to enter the editor. You'll see your content in an editable view where you can position your cursor exactly where the spacing looks off. Common signs include big blank gaps between paragraphs or lines that feel too close together and hard to scan. Place your cursor at the spot that needs attention. It helps to think in terms of paragraphs versus line breaks. In Confluence, pressing Enter creates a new paragraph. A paragraph has built-in spacing before and after it, so it naturally introduces a larger gap. This is perfect when you want to separate two distinct ideas, sections, or blocks of text. If your content would read better with a clear visual break, press Enter once to create that new paragraph and give the text room to breathe. On the other hand, if you just want a smaller break, maybe for a new line within the same thought or to add a bit of rhythm without a full paragraph gap, use Shift plus Enter. That creates a soft line break. It moves the cursor to the next line but keeps everything in the same paragraph, resulting in tighter spacing. This is great for short addresses, titles with subtitles, or lines that belong together but need slight separation. If the spacing is too large because there are extra blank lines, remove them. Click into the empty area and press backspace or delete to collapse those gaps. If there are multiple empty paragraphs stacked together, keep removing them until you're left with exactly the spacing you want. Either a single paragraph break from pressing Enter once, or a single soft break from Shift plus Enter. When you're happy with the layout in the editor, click Publish to save your changes and view the page as your readers will see it. Take a moment to review the final spacing from top to bottom, making sure headings, paragraphs, and line breaks look consistent and intentional. That's it. By choosing Enter for larger paragraph spacing and Shift plus Enter for smaller line breaks, and by cleaning up extra blank lines, you can quickly fix spacing issues and make any Confluence page look clean and readable.